Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed my previous Phuket vlogs, and here I am back with another interesting vlog of Phuket. This vlog is all about the most famous James Bond island and Big Buddha trip. So we first stopped at Rangyai Island for swimming and relaxing. Rangyai Island is well known for its pearl farm. So this is the ice cream cave. The ice cream cave is named after the stalactites that has got the shape of an ice cream. Ice cream cave is one of the most popular cave in Phang Nga Bay with its large stalactites and stalagmites. Going to the ice cream cave was a part of our day package with Phuket Travel Company. It was a great experience seeing the stalactites and stalagmites. Our tour guide was great and provided us with the torch lights. It's a bit slippery inside the cave, so be careful guys. Then we reached at Hong Island. Hong Island are surrounded by beautiful lagoons with crystal green emerald water. We had been all allocated a personal guide who was paddling our canoe and showing us through the caves. It was exciting when passing through the narrow and dark caves and when being in the calm inner parts of the lagoons. Really, it was just amazing. It was the best canoe trip we have ever been on and would recommend it to everyone. As usual, our travel company picked us from the resort around 8 am and we reached at the pier around 9:15, where they have arranged a complimentary snacks and drinks for everyone. To the boat, and for supper we had amazing Thai food which was delicious. The staff was attentive and they always had vegetarian, vegan cooked food, juices and soft drinks. Then we reached at Koh Peni village. Koh Peni is a fishing village in Phang Nga province, Thailand, notable for being built on stilts by Malay fishermen. The population consists of around 360 families. The village has a school, a mosque, a health center, lots of small souvenir shops and a handful of large restaurants facing the Andaman Sea. The village includes a floating football pitch inspired by the 1986 FIFA World Cup. Children built the pitch from old scraps of wood and fishing rafts. The boys decided to form a football team and compete in the Southern Thai School Championship. After making it to the semi-finals in an inland tournament, achieving the second place, all the village were inspired to take up the sport. So a brand new pitch was built, although the wooden one still remains and is popular among tourists. Note that this is a Muslim community, so women shouldn't wear short skirts or shorts. T-shirts and jeans are acceptable, but anything that exposes too much flesh could risk getting a cold shoulder from the usually welcoming locals. For next day, we planned for a Big Buddha trip. It took around 45 minutes to reach there by taxi from Patong. The Big Buddha statue is not only a symbol of Phuket but also the pride of the people here. The Big Buddha is situated at the height of 45 meters on Naked Hill between Chalong and Kata. This statue is the third tallest statue in Thailand. This great location offers perfect 360-degree panoramic view of the island. The entire body of the statue is built of reinforced concrete covered with a beautiful white jade marble imported from Burma. The statue is made entirely of Myanmar granite with a total weight of about 135 tons and 2,500 square meters. This place is very calm, peaceful, and definitely a point that visitors should not miss while visiting Phuket. The opening hour is from 8 am to 7:30 pm. If you want to enjoy the mesmerizing sunset view, try to visit Big Buddha before 6 pm. Also make sure to wear appropriate clothes like long skirts or dress to show respect for the religion. If not prepared, you can rent sarongs to cover your legs before visiting the Buddha statue. That's all guys, I hope you all enjoyed my last Phuket vlog of famous James Bond Island and Big Buddha trip. Do visit Phuket once for an amazing experience. Hope you find this vlog helpful and informational. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do share with your friends and family as well. I will see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching.
Thank you.